We have discussed importance of quadratic equation in daily life and in advanced studies. So that's why you should learn this. Then in higher classes you are able to do well in mathematics, and like IIT JEE mains and advanced, most of the problems you have done easily with these basics. It is a basic chapter. It is useful for remaining chapters also. Okay, so get ready. What is meant by quadratic expression or quadratic equation? The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are complex numbers, is called quadratic equation in x. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c belongs to c. This is called quadratic expression. What is the difference between them? Observe once. Yes, this is the expression. This expression having equality sign, that is called equation. In lower classes you have learnt. It is a quadratic expression. It is a quadratic equation whose degree is 2. What is meant by quadratic equation? Tell me definition. The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c are complex numbers. That is called quadratic equation. And this is called quadratic expression. Observe here, it is a quadratic equation, no? What are the conditions? A not equal to 0, a comma b comma c belongs to c. Now I am asking you whether it is quadratic equation or not. Same. If any equation is in the form, then definitely that is called quadratic equation in x. If variable is x, in x. Ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c belongs to c. Is it quadratic equation? Yes, it is also quadratic equation. That is the quadratic equation in y. This is quadratic equation in x. So here a comma b comma c are called constants, arbitrary constants. Okay, a is called x square coefficient, b is called x coefficient, c is a constant term. Now I am giving you some equations, whether it is quadratic equations or not. Same. Ax square plus bx is equal to 0. Here where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? Yes, it is quadratic equation. The thing is, you have to fulfill these conditions. That must be in this form, and a not equal to 0. If a, b, c are complex numbers, then over. Complex numbers are the biggest set. Any number is complex number only. So that's why no need to mention it also. In your 10th class textbook, you have a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers, because we are discussing 10th syllabus up to real numbers only. That's why they mentioned. Okay. Is it quadratic equation? Definitely it is a quadratic equation. Ax square plus c equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? Yes, it is quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is called pure quadratic equation because x term is not there. So that's why it is a pure quadratic equation. This we called as pure quadratic equation. Here also a not equal to 0. A must be not equal to 0. C may or may not be 0. No problem. Next, ax square equal to 0. Is it quadratic? Yes, it is also quadratic. Now x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Is it quadratic? Because x square coefficient is 1. 1 not equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is called monic quadratic equation. This equation is called monic quadratic equation. Now I am giving you some problems, whether those are quadratic equations or not, you check it enough. Okay, get ready. X minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 2. Is it quadratic equation? You have to simplify it first. After that you say the answer. Okay. X into x, x square, minus 1 into x, 1x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus into minus plus 2 equal to x square minus 2x minus 3x minus into minus plus 6. X square get cancelled now. So then what did you get? It is not a quadratic equation. No need to simplify it also. Because if x square coefficient is not equal to 0, then only that is quadratic equation. That equation must contains x square coefficient and whose degree also must be 2. Okay, now is it quadratic equation? X cube plus 5x square plus 3x is equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? It is not a quadratic equation because whose degree is 3. Sir, x square term undaga sir, మరి quadratic equation అవ్వాలి కదా అని ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? The highest exponent must be 2, but here 3 is there. It is a cubic equation, not a quadratic equation. Next one, x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 5 minus x. Is it quadratic equation? Observe, degree is 1, 1, 1. Is it quadratic equation? After simplify you have to say, same x minus 1 equal to 5 minus x into x minus 2. Now x minus 1 equal to 5 into x, 5x minus 10 minus x square minus into minus plus 2x. Now you observe here, see x square term is there or not? X square term is there, that's why it is a quadratic equation, and it is the highest term, highest degree term. Highest degree term is 2, so that's why this is definitely quadratic equation.